Ever wondered why AI sometimes sees things that aren't there? Like imagine a robot looking at a photo of a cat and suddenly claiming it's a dog. That's called a hallucination, and it's a big deal. But here's the good news. Researchers just cracked a major piece of this puzzle with a tool called ViHallu-Instruction. Let's break down how it works and why it's a game changer for AI. So why do AI models hallucinate in the first place? Think of them like superpowered students who have memorized a ton of data, but struggle to think critically. They might assume a beach always has a sunset, or that a tree is always green. These shortcuts work until they don't. That's when AI starts inventing details, like spotting a flamingo in a park photo where there's none. The core issue? A visual-semantic gap, a disconnect between what AI sees and what it understands. Most fixes focus on tweaking text, like editing captions or adding negative examples. But that's like trying to fix a broken bridge by only repainting the road signs. The real fix? Teaching AI to see more carefully. That's where ViHallu-Instruction comes in. It's like a detective training AI to spot inconsistencies. Here's the trick. Researchers created modified images with tiny intentional changes. For example, they take a photo of a red shirt and generate a version where it's blue, while keeping everything else the same. These visual variations act like training wheels, forcing AI to notice subtle details instead of guessing. The process? First, AI generates a caption for an image and identifies its key elements using a segmentation mask. Think of it as a blueprint of the scene. Then they tweak the caption, say, changing red shirt to blue shirt, and use a text-to-image model to create a new version. The result? A photo that looks almost identical, but has specific, deliberate changes. But here's the real magic. They pair these images with custom questions. Imagine showing the original photo with the question, what color is the shirt? And the modified version with, is the shirt still the same color? By training on these pairs, AI learns to focus on visual clues instead of relying on assumptions. The proof is in the numbers. When tested on tricky tasks, models using ViHallu-Instruction improved their accuracy by up to 2.23% on adversarial tests, where AI is deliberately tricked. For example, a model might stop claiming there's a person in a photo of a tree. Here's the breakthrough. Scientists took existing AI models like LLVA15 and QN2VL, think of them as smart but slightly clumsy assistants, and gave them a special training tool called ViHallu-Instruction. It's like handing them a magnifying glass to spot the tiny, crucial details in images. The result? These AIs became way better at avoiding wild guesses, and instead produced descriptions that were both accurate and vivid. As AI starts handling high-stakes tasks, like analyzing medical scans or helping self-driving cars navigate, getting the details right isn't just important. It's life or death. This improvement means AIs could soon be more reliable partners in fields where precision is non-negotiable. So what's the takeaway? It's not just about making AI smarter. It's about making it trustworthy, so we can rely on it when it really counts.